Hey, what's going on, everyone? Josh here with Piano Marvel, and this is a video in response to Miss Mitzi. She asked just the other day, is it possible to edit something that is already in Piano Marvel, but is only chopped and not minced? So this was in response to this video where I was talking about slicing music like a pro, and I want to just show you really quickly how to do that. So I think almost any piece in Piano Marvel, you are able to copy into your uploads and then make your own custom slicings for it. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So just like the other video, what you need to do is go up here to the upload section. And after the upload portal opens, you'll automatically be in My Uploads. Okay, so these are all of the uploads that either I've done or I have copied from right here, the Piano Marvel library. So open up Piano Marvel library, and this is where we're really going to dive in. So let's say there's like a piece in here that you want to, make your own slicings to. Maybe it's because the slicings are a little too big or whatever it could be. Okay, so I know I did this recently with this Waltz in C sharp minor by Chopin. So I'll just show you what this piece looks like. It looks like this. Okay, and the slicings in Piano Marvel are 8-bar sections, and it was really hard for me to put my hands together with 8 bars just because it's just hard music. So what I did is I went in this upload portal. I went to the Piano Marvel library. I found the song that I wanted to, and then I pressed this copy button. And what happens when you press copy, you say, make a copy for my uploads. You'll press copy, and then it'll say copy successful. You'll go to your uploads, and then your copy will be here. Okay, so then you can see I'm in my uploads. That same Waltz in C sharp minor is right there. So I'll press edit. Then you can see I've already made 4-bar section chops and minces. So this piece works better for me personally, all because I made smaller sections. So I actually, worked pretty far through this until I realized that I sliced it wrong. But that's something for another day. So I hope this video was helpful, Miss Mitzi. Let me know if you have any more videos or questions that you'd like asked, answered, or anything like that. Otherwise, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to y'all later.